Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 169, that is majority element, and in this we'll be given an array of nums of size n, and we have to return the majority element. And the majority element is the element that appears more than n by 2 times. Okay, and it is assumed that a majority element will always exist. Okay, so everyone, I guess you can easily implement it by doing using a map that we will be counting the frequency for each element, and wherever we get the frequency is greater than n by 2, we'll be returning that. But there is a faster approach which requires O of 1 space and O of n time complexity. Okay. So but let's have some observation, like let's, for example, we are given this array that is 2 2 2 triple 1 double 2 and my n is equal to 7. Okay, so it states that the majority element is considered that element which is appearing more than n by 2 times. That is for, in this case, 4, because we know that n by oh sorry, that is 3, because we know that n by 2 in this case will be returning me 3. Okay, so there is only one element that is occurring more than 3, that is 2 2 2 and 2. So what we can do is we can keep a track of the number that might be the maximum number, because even if we shovel this, like let's say if I do this here, if I even shuffle it like okay, let me just do that. This is my 1 and I change this one to 2. Okay, so if I keep a track that, let's say my current this element is maximum, then its frequency is 1, then this element is maximum, and this element is not equal to this element, so my count will become 0. Then again I'll be go here, I'll be keeping the track of the maximum element, and at the end the number at which my frequency will be, that will be the number that will be occurring more than n by 2 times. Okay, so now let's implement this. Let's have a variable count equal to 0, and my maximum element is also, let's say, 0. Okay, so that for int num in nums, what I'll be checking that if my count is equal to 0, then what I'll be doing, I'll be setting my maximum element equal to nums. Okay, and then what I'll be checking that if my num is not equal to my current maximum element, then what I'll do count minus minus. Else, if my num is equal to the maximum element, uh, yeah, so if else, this one case, that is my maximum element is equal to num, so I'll be doing count plus plus, and at the end what I have to do is I have to just return the maximum element. And now let's run it. Oh sorry, num, yeah, now let's run it, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works extremely fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.